Right, now it is time to disassemble the Starwaders portable solar system model, and that is even easier than assembling it. You have probably been using the pointer during your presentation. Split the pointer in half. Then remove the planets. And place them back into the packet that they arrived in, or that you have subsequently chosen to store the planets in. Don't forget the ring of Saturn. Pull the Sun off the central axis and its rotation ring. Pack that away. Now we begin with the rings. The larger rings, we have to take the hoops and we have to turn the hoops from one big hoop into 3 small hoops. The best way to do that is to actually hold both ends and twist. This is a bit difficult with 2 hands. Use a foot to hold the one end firmly onto the ground and the other one grip the top of the hoop. Full twist and the hoop turns into 3 hoops. As usual, just put something, a little bit of weight on top of the hoop just to make sure that it doesn't spring open again. The best way to get the hoops out of the slots is to put your fingers behind the hoops and the thumb on the arm and just pop it off. The twisting of the hoops can be used as entertainment where children have been in the audience. They all love to have a go at it, and of course in the demonstration here I have been using something higher to stand on. What you would usually do is use the floor, grab the hoop, give a single twist, push down at the same time, and that single hoop becomes 3. Bunch all the hoops together and fasten them with the piece of strapping supplied. We do not want the spring in the hoops to pop them all open. The next thing we do is we take the arms out of the hub. It helps to twist the arms if they are a little bit stiff, and especially to twist them in the same direction that you twisted them when inserting them. I normally twist clockwise. This thing will remove the hub unit from the axis block. The axis block comes off. The top rod of the tripod, the joining block on the tripod, bottom rod on the tripod, and the legs pop out of the tripod block. 1, 2, 3, and that is the disassembly of the Starwaders portable solar system model.